Yes, I'm here and we are here to win the Ghana Premier League for Krobia Sante Kotoko. Bassey Fernando. Yes, Bassey Fernando or Akasa. After so joining Kumasi Sante Kotoko no. Bassey Fernando Williams. Wisdom or the summer to with regards to the move to Kumasi Sante Kotoko. Now we are no any other Bassey and Yanin say we're joining Krobia. Na enyumria na Kotoko officially a confirmed deal no. As I say, no, we the third team signing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the summer transfer window. Yes, me sure say 13 players no. And one na Kotoko di close the BBA because 13 there is enough. Or ye forward, or ye on the wing side. Now welcome Fernando Wisdom Bassey to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Oni Kumasi Asante Kotoko media no etwetwe nkomo. Nensema okan ye no ewa ha. Ye dey bro on Super 24 TV no so. Information wo wiase. Enya to hope na wo se ye dey bro e wo fia. Aha ye Asante Kotoko hub for Kumasi Asante Kotoko stories and Ghana Premier League news. It is the hub on YouTube, so far as Kotoko and Ghana Premier League stories are concerned. Now then some more kind of or say I am well aware of the structure of Asante Kotoko and its significance to the supporters. The club has a rich history on the continent and representing them is a great honor, especially given the shared cultural ties between Ghana and Nigeria. Or say, or you aware of Asante Kotoko stature no, any significance supporters no so play the rich history ni no and the cultural ties e Ghana and Nigeria ntem no, or you aware of sanyo ni nyina. No say Asante Kotoko a club based in Kumasi. Ye nyina yenim the deep passion for football. Ewo Kumasi no. I say the enthusiasm is unmatched. Ahokika unmatched, particularly when Kotoko or Black Stars are playing. Inti Yakoba say the deal no finally a go through no. E idea e maneni je pa. No wabano oni ni teammates no. Ebeye di umbeti ma ibia. Omeye di umbeti ma ibia to ensure say Kotoko gets the glory at the end of the season, and in every game they are going to give off their very best for Asante Kotoko. Ukuma pema pemeba. Samoto yemfa nkotwa to say Kotoko foreigners na be 5. Made the detailed report ebe bro on the foreign players or more club.